Today we're making some smoked ribs on the barbie with a beautiful spice rub so that they're juicy and they're tender and just packed full of flavour. After that we're going to make a ripper sauce to give us that real finger-licking finish. Now we've created a dry spice rub that will really penetrate that flavour while we're cooking. Place the smoker box on top and then preheat your barbie. You want it to be around 120 degrees. Add your soaked hickory chips to your smoker box and then just set those ribs in. Close that lid and we're going to cook that for about 2.5 hours. Now while that's cooking, we can mix up our basting sauce just to finish them off, adding a hint of our secret ingredient, a kick of whiskey. And when they're nice and tender, we're going to baste those ribs using our barbecue whiskey sauce and keep turning those and basting them until you get that beautiful char. Should be about 10 minutes. Alrighty, now today we're going to serve with a beautiful light mango salsa. And that's just really going to cut through the fattiness of that pork. And would you look at that? Super simple, but super delicious. Now for everything you need to get on cooking, be sure to head down and see your team at your local Mitre 10.